NDNPS court sentences a drug dealer arrested 2 years ago to 13 years of rigorous imprisonment and a fine of 2 lakh rupees. RIMS MS assures of taking necessary legal actions against RIMS ECG room rape incident. POCSO court puts rape accused in 15 days judicial remand. Chief Minister Nongthong Bambirein envisions peaceful and developed society by uplifting destitute people on the 36th Foundation Day of Yaitibi Children Home. Works Minister Thongam Beswajit assures to complete construction of foot-over bridges in Imphal City by November. Education Minister Thokchom Radhesham inaugurates Administrative Office of Manipur International University MIU at Gari. And Agriculture Minister Vihan Kailian opens 4-day State Agricultural Fair 2019 at Iboyaima, Sumanglila, Sanglen. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Laithangba Monica with the latest news updates. NDNPS Fast Track Court has sentenced a drug dealer to 13 years of rigorous imprisonment and a fine of 2 lakh rupees. Special Judge NDNPS FTC S. Tara Devi sentenced 40-year-old convict Mohammad Sabuddin, son of Mohammad Nazamuddin from Lilong Tairen Makong in Thoubal district, who was apprehended 2 years ago in possession of contraband drugs N10 and SP tablets. Defense counsel pleaded to the judge to minimize his punishment, but the State Council Special Public Prosecutor Moirangthem Raichan urged the judge to give him severe punishments for dealing with contraband drugs under Section 21C and 21B of the NDNPS Act 1958. The convict was apprehended at Nonay on January 20, 2017 for illegal possession of 19,010 tablets and 8 kg 630 grams of SP tablets. He was pronounced guilty in the final case hearing held on October 3. The NDNPS Special Judge convicted them under Section 21 and 29 of the NDNPS Act 1958. RIMS Medical Superintendent C.H. Arun Kumar has assured that necessary legal actions will be taken against those involved in the rape incident at the ECG room of the hospital. He was speaking on the sidelines of inspecting security measures being taken in the hospital in view of possible agitation by the rape victim's family. Stating that an inquiry team has already started investigation into the case, he assured that the hospital authority will ensure that such unwanted incidents do not occur again. Dr. C.H. Arun Kumar appealed to follow the guidelines of RIMS to let a family member accompany the patient for any test in the hospital.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯝꯗꯕ ꯊꯧꯗꯣꯛꯇꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯇꯕ ꯊꯧꯗꯣꯛꯇꯨ ꯊꯣꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯁꯨ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯍꯟꯅ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥꯗ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯔꯤ ꯃꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕꯁꯤ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯍꯟꯅ ꯊꯣꯛꯍꯟꯖꯔꯣꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯊꯥꯖꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯊꯝꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯔꯤꯝꯁ ꯍꯣꯁꯄꯤꯇꯥꯜ ꯐꯒꯠꯍꯟꯁꯤ ꯔꯤꯝꯁ ꯍꯣꯁꯄꯤꯇꯥꯜꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯝꯁꯀꯤ ꯊꯥꯛꯇ ꯄꯨꯈꯠꯅꯕ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯔꯤꯕꯅꯤ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯌꯟ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁꯇꯔ ꯍꯔꯁ ꯕꯔꯙꯟꯗ ꯄꯨꯈꯠꯈ꯭ꯔꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯦꯚꯦꯜꯗ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯐꯒꯠꯅꯕ ꯔꯤꯝꯁꯀꯤ ꯃꯤꯡꯆꯠ ꯐꯒꯠꯂꯛꯏꯉꯩꯁꯤꯗ ꯆꯥꯡ ꯇꯥꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯛ ꯆꯥꯛꯔꯤꯡ ꯑꯃꯅ ꯆꯦꯡꯀꯣꯛ ꯑꯃ ꯃꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯗꯅ ꯃꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯍꯟꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯖꯗꯅ ꯐꯒꯠꯍꯟꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥꯒꯤ ꯁꯍꯌꯣꯒꯁꯨ ꯑꯩ ꯅꯤꯖꯔꯤ
Accused Thokchom Suraj, who allegedly raped a 12-year-old girl while taking ECG at RIMS Hospital, was produced before POCSO court, Imphal West today. The victim's family members and relatives stormed the Chairab court complex upon learning that Suraj will be produced before the court. Special Judge POCSO Imphal West remanded rape accused TH Suraj into 15 days of judicial custody. Thokchom Suraj from Kaisamthong Moirang Ningthau Leirak allegedly raped a 12-year-old girl while taking ECG at RIMS Hospital in the wee hours of October 3. Imphal West Women Police has registered a case and investigations are underway. JAC formed against the rape of the ECG room of RIMS Hospital by RIMS ECG technician Thokchom Suraj submitted 4-point charter of demand to Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren today. The JAC warned of carrying out intense agitation along with members of civil society organizations and people of the state if their demands are not fulfilled within 40 days. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, JAC convener Konsam Raj termed the rape incident as first of its kind in the notice. He urged the authorities concerned to take measures to avoid such gruesome incident in the future. The JAC convener also appealed to lawyers not to defend the accused.
Honorable CM Biren, Maki Mafam Tisu, Mana Yamna, dynamic way by Honorable CM ni, Adona Maki Saitiki Zokan being a tumatamda, a quite the JCga, Warishanaduna, Amadi Miyangi Panawidang, the Manipuri Perza, Kodimaki Panawidang, Manipur the labor, private Hopsal Oisino, Go Mengi Hopsal Oisino, Hopsan, Kodimaxa Masigi, Conchurch Masigi, Zanabi say Yadi Abama and the Kimatanga, Kangal Milo, Si Haidana, Aquena Mediagi Mangda, Nasi Press Minister of Germany.
Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren visited Yaibilen Children Home at Kabi Sanapat in Imphal East on its 36th Foundation Day today. Speaking on the occasion, Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren asserted that society will be peaceful and developed only when destitute people are uplifted. He maintained that the government is committed to improve the economic conditions of the poor and the downtrodden. He lauded authorities of Yaibilen Children Home for nurturing the children and assured them of possible help from the government. Speaking on the occasion, Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Minister Karam Shyam stated that nurturing a child equals to building a nation. He urged the youth to work hard with determination and to be successful in life.
Akwai society se akwai karom chali sometimes I blur chali akwai ki sikari gino haipa kan akwai ki si karai dino soiba ma dilai yam talent di loire akwai ki da lai ba talent si di oh innovative ideas bharat da prithvi da lai ba jati khudi ma compete to bang ma du ma gi brain loi na akwai da lai taibang semba ishor siga nakna ba wala abrai na iching na bole natraga di spiritual si manga ko matam da koi thaksi ka si manga ai na appeal tawningi koi spiritual Ishurgin lam the Kitang Naksan Namatoksi, Aduga Hinganabagi Lambida, Nasi Sarkar Sinai Koi Makal Makagi scheme project, Anova innovatives locally, Laibiri Mayam, the Kariguma Dugumbagi, later Lida Singawana, the Koi Government Piriba, Barki Prime Minister Napiriba, scheme Mayam, Fang the Kotaba Ragadi, Madusu, Akoi the Pau Piviraga, Nominini Humnima, Government Affairs Hill Sintaraga, or go to village, Makasatara and Equasi, Madugi Awat Pushundu, IPN again.
Ngasi home run tawriba oza uiriba angang ama sembay se leibak ama semga chap manay mating leiba afaba ayeng mal leibak sigi luchingbo oiroi haningai leite aduna adumba angang yang khaidugi manungda samadugi manungda ama yoba kanda mangonda thengnagiba awan nungai gi wariduna maram oidana ayeng leibak ki luchingbo oira kanda di leibak tugi nungsiba aduga yaifannaba khanba Mana Tenagriba problem am the solve Tonganaba Honorakane and Uhinjev, Yahunjev.
Works Minister Thongam Biswajit has inspected ongoing works of foot over bridge in Imphal city and assured to complete the construction by November. He said the same on the sidelines of an inspection visit at one of the foot over bridge constructed near the Kangla Fort today. Public Works Department, Government of Manipur started building the foot-over bridges worth around 16.6 crore rupees under the funding of the Ministry of Road Transport in 4 different areas of Imphal city since April 2019. Speaking on the occasion, Minister T.H. Biswajit asserted that foot-over bridges were built to ensure safe passage for pedestrians. He maintained that construction of foot-over bridges in Imphal city is almost 75% completed. He maintained that unlike the former government, the present government has initiated various developmental works for the welfare of people in the state.
Foot-over bridge sabasi akhoi Kangla ne mamang ne aduga BT road amadi akhoi Kasam Pata tawgadabni maroi na akhoi ngasi mafom sida pakhali basi akhoi Kangla gi mamang dani masi akhoi ngasi akhoi thangat pasi nakala ani maki complete onena ba akhoi kanna akhoi hona gani adu ngamsu ngani haibagi achpa thajabal lei aduga tasengna hariba thaba ahum ji December da loirena bagi akhoi gi leriba stipulated date of the akhoi completion ji officially akhoi December da ni 24 December da ni adu akhoi masi BT ga akhoi Kangla siga akhoi kano November da loishangani adu December da na akhoi leriba Kasam Pat ki si akhoi dispute khara leribuna maram moraga akhoi December da loishan bagi pandam thamli aduga hariba si akhoi punna akhoi 16.6 crore ni aduga si manungda akhoi expenditure pangchat chatri aduga akhoi thabakna progress 75% gumbagi akhoi hujik loishale aduga.
Speaking on the sidelines, additional Chief Engineer of National Highways Y. Joy Kumar asserted that construction of ring roads as planned in 2015 will begin at the earliest. He assured to urge the government to solve the existing land compensation issues to initiate construction of ring roads by this November.
पैसासी कोना वर्क्स की ओइनम चंग 800 crores मुनि अदुगा कोई कंपेंसेशन की कई अतोप अतोप मयाम लाकांदा तोंगानबा कोई 1180 गुमगी crores की प्रोजेक्शन ने अदु मसे कितन हेम बिया का ताबे कोई फाइनल हैंग केनो टेंडर तोरकांदा से की सब साब दे खंगन नौना अमुक हंदक से कोई नवंबर लाइव ना कोई ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर हारम बदुनी कोई की डी नेशन डेवलपमेंट ने कोई मणिपुर गवर्नमेंट ने अमा सोई तौनरकांदा थबक से पाखतबा होनबा तौरानी.
Education Minister Thokchom Radheshyam inaugurated the Administrative Office of Manipur International University MIU at Garhi today. He stated that to felicitate thousands of students passing out from colleges to pursue higher studies, the state needs more university and higher educational institutions. Speaking on the occasion, T.H. Radheshyam says that Manipur International University MIU is an autonomous public university established by the state government via Manipur International University Ordinance 2018, Manipur Ordinance number 1 of 2018, and was notified in the official gazette on 26 June 2018. The MIU plans to establish campuses in different parts of the state. The minister expresses hope that establishment of the MIU and its campuses will help in engaging young minds in skill training, inculcating innovative ideas. Chief Secretary Dr. J. Suresh, University Vice Chancellor Dr. Hari Kumar, and teachers and students took part in the event. Agriculture Minister V. Hankhalian inaugurated 4-day State Agricultural Fair 2019 at Iboyaima Sumanglela Sanglen today. State Agriculture Department along with State Agricultural Management and Extension Training Institute, Samiti Manipur, jointly organized the fair sponsored by the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, Government of India on the theme Climate Resilient Agriculture. Speaking on the occasion, Minister V. Hankhalian asserted that the economy of Manipur is dependent on agricultural production. Responding to media about provision of drought reliefs for farmers in the state, the Agriculture Minister says that a central expert team is coming to inspect the drought-affected paddy fields. He stated that the Agriculture Department and Disaster Management Team of the state will offer necessary assistance for the same. assured that financial aids will be provided only after the central team identifies drought-affected areas. Altogether, 48 stalls including 13 private stalls, 9 stalls of Agriculture Technology Management Agency ATMA, 7 stalls of a machinery, Krishi Vigyan Kendra, KVK Thobal, KVK Imphal East and Line Department are opened at the agricultural fair.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯣꯜ ꯃꯆꯥ ꯌꯦꯡꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯏꯝꯄ꯭ꯔꯨꯚꯃꯦꯟ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯆꯠꯊꯔꯦ KVK ꯑꯗꯨꯒ CAU ꯀꯥꯎꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ KVK ꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯆꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯅꯧꯕ ꯃꯈꯜꯒꯤ agriculture implements or agriculture inputs ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯠꯊꯣꯛꯁꯦ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯊꯣꯛꯅꯅꯕ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯇꯦꯛꯅꯣꯂꯣꯖꯤ ꯃꯈꯜ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯁꯣ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯔꯦ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯔꯦ ꯁ꯭ꯃꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯃꯈꯥꯗ ꯃꯈꯜ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ latest models agriculture implements ꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ encouraging ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯁꯤꯗ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯏꯝꯄ꯭ꯂꯤꯃꯦꯟꯠꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯇꯦꯛꯅꯣꯂꯣꯖꯤꯁꯤꯡ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯦꯒ꯭ꯔꯤꯀꯜꯆꯔꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯠꯊꯣꯛꯁꯦ 2022 ꯐꯥꯎꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯒ꯭ꯔꯤꯀꯜꯆꯔ ꯄꯣꯠꯊꯣꯛꯁꯦ ꯗꯕꯜ ꯑꯞ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯅꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯟꯗꯝꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯒꯦ.
Entrepreneurs who have opened their stalls at the Agri Fair shared their views to Impact News.
Agri fair se tasengmadi fair haibase masi number 1 point knowledge exchange ne haibadi aikoi na ngasi little knowledge ama haibadi ai sa chengum se 2001 da ai mushroom je ai training phangjai ai share dagi ai 2002 dagi chingum thajare 2002 dagi ne chingum taba till now sibuk da ai chingum gi lambi da laksere cheda kana gumba farmer ama interested to the mushroom madugi knowledge exchange ama to wi ai maramdi ga ai ngasi laksere ju ai taseng ai taraga ai ne khara khangjari ba ai na sigi 2002 dagi 2019 model ai na phangjari ba ai experience to madu ai na farmer sing si interested farmers sing da ai madu exchange to ge laksere
akhoi na thambije akhoi ge khoi ni khunai khoi na aduga smokers yaujare dagi biben yaubire adege khoi ge kep chi changna na bi khoi changna na bi kep che si jaw department side ta khon haijaning wa che akhoi department sing de yang chan bi re ha ga mafam jaga da thana na bagi chu to bi ro de khoi si je khoi ge kaino si kan na khoi ge hona jari ba khoi manipur si da
akhoi nu che si bamboo shoot packet si mane adege akhoi chahau na sa ba cake si mane sigi brand je akhoi na mangal haina thon mane bamboo shoot si di si almost 3 years chahi ahum phare aduga chahau si di kuidri chahau si di akhoi na hoji trial tau bani adubu mase demand di fan lai re market demand di nomoda akhoi gi 1000 dozens demand lai re agri fair tawbasi yamna chammaga su khara adum significant oiba yam kanaba posaga mane maroina akhoi gi product si mayam da khangan bagi khurong jaba ama phangi loina na akhoi gi awara pa do akhoi sida fair yawmin nari ba singa share tawraga akhoi gi chawkhan bagi upay ama hai tare men samadi adum fair sina oi.
PCC member of MPCC Dr. S. Manauton has alleged that the BJP government is trying to declare Nathuram Godse, who assassinated Mahatma Gandhi, as a national hero. He stated the same today at the one-day seminar organized by Nauriya Pakhanglapa Block Congress Committee at Indira Gandhi Memorial Community Hall in Mekola Bazaar to mark the 150th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. Dr. Manauton lauded Gandhiji as a true leader who spread ahimsa and treated everyone equally. Stating that Mahatma Gandhi stressed on inner purity, Dr. S. Manauton lambasted that Prime Minister Narendra Modi cares only for external cleanliness. He also mocked the Modi's Man Ki Baat is not to listen to people's grievances but to show his lone primacy. Dr. S. Manauton further alleged that the Modi-led government is trying to abolish all minority communities, including natives of the Northeast states, under its One Nation, One Language agenda.
Narendra Modi na Bharat ki Samvidhan bu ikai khumna bu oiradi yam phana tawni na afaba sasan amagi dawta mathakta land ba tai aikoi hojiki di mathakta land bra makha da land ba yengbiu lamdam si da lairiba miyam punamangna isagi indigenous ama oibagi ijat lai na hingjaba sigum mayamna Sautok Seningai were but Sahilicing and Ehan Bagi Tiahas Level themselves. Masiki Kongpam Jacoin Paiho Draba, Congress Party Sigumba, Ninti Jagro Policy Program, Juban Namat and Mangan Gidra BJP, Tauriba Potion and Givata day. I quite Sahi, the Shingani and Bagi Tiahas lady and a quite Muktana lady share. I quite Kuiro, but quite Mitop Mian Jagi, mayumda aikoina thabak suba chatkane ba khar leradi
Haingang Block Congress Committee held a one-day seminar on Gandhiji's aim and his non-violence movement today. Chairman of MPCC MOBC Cell S. Gunamani, President of Haingang Block Congress Committee, Dr. N.G. Brojen and other eminent persons attended the seminar held at MPCC Secretary Pangaizam Sarad Chandra's residence at Haingang Mayailekai. Speaking on the occasion, MPCC Secretary P. Sarad Chandra stressed on the need for the state leaders to follow Gandhiji's ideology. He criticized that BJP leaders being involved in leadership crisis have failed to take up welfare activities in the state.
Ahingsa amadi achumbana parjabu wayen bigadabani ahingsa amadi achumbana parjabu ngakpi sen bigadabani haiba Gandhi gi wakhalona se ngasiri thai khibagum tawasi aikoi Gandhi bu ningsing jaraga aikoi gi Bharat da amadi Manipur da amadi Haingang Kendra da chumba Gandhi gi wakhalona silaaga aikoi gi samaj asibu achumba mangal ama tholaga parja sing asibu nungaina tangdu leitana hingba haibese amuktang wominar si hai Kendra amadi Manipur amadi Bharat tangasi rajniti gi lupsa laiba shakti tanabada power tanabada Mangchalaiba, crime mayam tholaiba punamakse, Gandhi gi mapuk numit pangthokpasina mayam punamaki amukpa wakhal singase samthokpa wairashanu haiba wakhalon galoinana ngathi ngashidi Gandhi's gi 150 birth anniversary asi Haingang Block Congress Committee na pangthokchabani.
Acting Chairperson of Manipur Human Rights Commission, MHRC, Khaidim Mani, today disclosed that the Commission has taken up 2 cases filed by 2 individuals about the infamous October 6 Upokpi Kunau incident of Bishnupur. Speaking to media at MHRC office in Lamphel today, Khaidim Mani stated that Manipur Human Rights Commission takes the mob justice incident very seriously and it has already notified Bishnupur District Police to submit an accurate report on the case within October 17. He urged the state government to pass a bill against mob justice and mob violence and to implement an ordinance before the bill is passed. Khaidim Mani also urged people not to agitate in front of court complex while a hearing is going on as it delays the case. He warned that the commission will take actions to stop mob justice in front of court complex.
Yengeraga kaya to yahunda mayam gino mayam thokpa na haibadu yaro ngaktangi di yarangani aingi sidi khotakta di aingi makutseting thorakpada yaudaba yai aingi makutti sangbani tosena tanarage hairadi adum tanaba yai phaba khunai ma oinana ba koi mob justice se hojiki oinadi ngasi go oinadi tawdana ba mayamda appeal tawbado adum khak tawningi.
Old Ziribam Road Transport Drivers Union in a press release has refuted allegations made by Drivers Welfare Association that the union extorts money from vehicles plying on Imphal Ziribam Road as totally unfounded. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on the 3rd bomb explosion near Moray, IB. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. An explosive planted by unknown miscreants exploded near Western Campus fencing of Subsidiary Intelligence Bureau bordering to St. George High School of Moray yesterday at around 9 p.m. No casualties were reported and no splinter was found at the site except for some torn plastic bags which wrapped the explosive. According to Impact News sources, explosion of the bomb, which is believed to be a timer IED, destroyed walls of the IB. Upon hearing the thunderous sound of the explosion, Moray Police OC rushed to the spot and cordoned the area. Later, a team of Moray Police personnel conducted search operation at the site. Additional SP Operation, Additional SP Law and Order and 43rd Assam Rifles Commanding Officer also inspected the site. This is the 3rd explosion by unknown miscreants near the IB. Coordinating body of Korai in a press release has strongly condemned the bomb explosion by unknown miscreants on October 5 at Hanjabam Prem Kumar's residence in Wangkai Kunau Soibam Lekai. Working President of Manipur Muslim Welfare Organization MMWO demanded the state government to disclose the report of the SIT formed to probe misappropriation of welfare benefits meant for OBC minority by the MOBC department. Speaking to media at MMWO office in Hatta today, Working President of the organization, Wazid Saha, condemned that the government has failed to bring out the report of the SIT formed to investigate wrongdoing and corruption by the MOBC department from 2010 to 2017.
2010 2017 फाउबदा MOBC department na पाइखेट किबा स्कीम सिंगदा फंगफम थोकपा राइट पर्सन सिंगदा फंगदबा लाइरेबा प्रजा सिंगी हकपु लुट तौख्रबा अमसुंग महिरोय क्यागी हक फंगफम थोकपा हक कया लुट तौख्रबा अदुमलबा ऑफिसर सिंग अदुना हाइरिबा एडिशनल सीएस ना लुचिंगबा SIT अदो अदुदा लुपा कया ना मचिन मेन खरबनो हाबे चार नो दखै हंजगे MOBC department ना 2010 दगिन 2017 फाउबगी पाइखेट किबा स्कीम सिंग अदुगी चपचाबा रिपोर्ट अमा प्रजा म्याम द खंगनगदबनी मसिदा कोइ खंगनदना तुमिना लेसिन किबा तारगदी ममांग MMWO ना चंगसिन किबा खोंजंग सिंग अदुदा
Administrative Secretary of School Management Committee of Janet Academy, Sangai Pro, Aton Laisemba, refuted the allegations made by proscribed Kangleipa Communist Party People's War Group that the academy takes money from students as a side business. Speaking to media at the school campus today, Aton Laisemba says that the school established in 2009 and affiliated in 2010 has produced many good students and toppers since 2012. Taking part in the press meet, principal of the academy and Radheshana denied taking money inappropriately from the students. She expressed deep shock over the statement that KCP War Group arrested the founder of the academy in 2001. She asserted that the academy was not even established at that time. Further refuting the allegations which said that one Brojan runs the academy's hostel, Radhesana asserted that there is no one by the name Brojan in the management committee, nor the academy has any boarding facility.
Janet Academy na Satra Madagi, Republican Contra, the Guinea Kapo Loraga, Assam Sanskrit Board Kumba, Urdu Board Kumba, Delhi Board Kumba, Kerala Board Ki, Board Karada, Senalan Bichatare, Haina, Mopaziam Live Activity, Sumara Malambida, Tokibalite, Ngakpama Paui, Ariba Pauchi Sing Asina, School Nasita Tamzariba, Mahirusing, parenting, School Nasi, Ozasing staff in the Yamatam Nabam Paiva Pole, Ramasina, Hariba, Opam Sing Asia, Mutan Kumnan in a view.
If we just see the complaint, I'm the laser there, I could use school the Mingsa Tihan Bigan no, I could under CBSE. CBSE when in a natural delivered Oigado. CBSE the certificate Pirapada, Equina Aranba certificate Piruba Oidadi, Nahana, Equi school see Mutlagani. New academic section the Gi Equi school, Tingani Hibesisu, Noiza de grassroot the Gi Tigat Piraga school see, Karamba Pibam the Lake, Karamba Pibam the Lai. Go through the grassroot and then please make it to clarify everything within a very short period.
BCBR Social Development Foundation felicitated meritorious students of Manipur's famed Bioscience Institute today. Website of the institute www.bioscience.org.in was also launched at the event held at East Garden, Kongba Laishram Lekai in Imphal East.
Bioscience and higher say CSIR, JRF, the ASRB, UGC, NET, the GATE ki coaching center in the whole doctor. Adu Aquina cannot the assembly I plan Dika no have the university data amatunda finishing school wena polish stone of Bangang Quise, the competitive exams in the face of Wangam Nava, that entrepreneurial skill that developed of Wangam Nava. Adugi idea to put doctor. Adu Aquina CSIR NET ki. I think JRF coaching tower is the funding yangapane. Aduga labor funds in Sina, Quina, Madugi equipment, sing the setup library gumba, the Mogi practice tone of discussion tone of a room, Semak Namaquina established Ozabanel. Aduga Makada Mogi Hajining Bana Bioscience Hivasi, Hosik BCBR Social Development Foundation, Hibaki Makazida, MCA recognized Torba, Sigi Kanosi Institute, Sigi Makad Lazabane.
Private School Development Council PSDC Thobal held its 11th Foundation Day celebration at the multi-purpose hall of Fansia Higher Secondary School in Thobal Okram Wangmataba today. Chief Advisor of PSDC Thobal, Dr. O. Ibobishag, who is also the headmaster of EGF School Thoubal, chairman of KM Blooming Higher Secondary School KH Menjor Mangang, and retired wing commander of Indian Air Force AK Deben attended the event. It may be mentioned that Private School Development Council Thoubal, a conglomerate of 18 private schools in Thoubal district, is striving to build a modern competitive education era. Meritorious students were felicitated in the event. Regional Institute of Medical Sciences RIMS Imphal, Arogya Seva, None Branch and Sunbird Trust jointly organized one-day free health camp at Berin Baptist Academy in None. More than 700 people were checked up in the camp by doctors, nurses and 70 paramedical staffs of 14 different departments. Center of Medicals and Sales Representative Union CRU distributed free medicines at the camp.
रिम्स की डॉक्टर से नर्स पैरामेडिकल स्टाफ अमदी अतोप स्टाफ सिंग पुलगा पंगतुक प्रोग्राम असिदा मरुइबा मसिगी पांडमदी लमदम सिदा लैरिबा अराप चिंगी लमसिंग सिदा लैरिबा अखोगी मरुप अपांगसिंग अखोगी इसिनाउ सिंगसिबु नाद यक्तना लैनेनाबुगी पांडमदा पंगतुक प्रोग्राम नि
Naurim Youth Library and Development Organization NYLDO along with PRDA Bishnupur Action 8 LRP project and Jenims Blood Bank Porompat organized a voluntary blood donation camp at Panthoibi Haraubung Naurim today. Nambol MLA and Loken NYLDO President Manglemba Naurim, sponsor coordinator of PRDA Action 8 LRP project T. Lata Rani and coordinator T.H. Bimol Kumar took part in the event. More than 40 volunteers donated blood at the event. White Taiva or Moping event of Maitai Chanu 2019 beauty pageant was held at Kurai Ningthaubung Laikai today. The grand finale of the pageant will be held on October 20. Like a Thel Kabagi Silon ceremony was performed on the last and 10th day of 25th Pantho Sanglen Laipung Harau Thongni Irad today. 7 mothers led devotees in taking out a ceremonial rally from Nompok Chingu Thong Maitai Laikol of Siloi Langmai Ching in Imphal East and procured fruits and vegetables from Lamlen Kwai Khoiri Kaithel, popularly known as the Khwairamban Kaithel, for offering to Pantho Lai with prayers for peace and prosperity in the state. Pantho Sanglen Laipung Harau Thongni Irad is celebrated every year with an aim to preserve the ancestral religion and culture of the Maitai community.
Pantongna khoi inati oiba poram charam leiriba taudri khangde langren khangde pena khangde sakoi isai punamak pusu hingan biri nahona sumba mayam si pantongna masa oiba khoi ta tambi bani takpi bani sigi damakta ikhoina pantho gidamakta harau thoni sigi kaithien se karaga tamjabani masina kari gidamakta tamino haibada kanglei sida nungaiba yaifeba sahongba ngahongba awat palitaba ingna signa leinaba gidamakta ngasigi khori kaithien se kalaga pantho ipagi makai da tamjadoini maitai haiba maitai khoi si leiriban Kunemaksi, Larik Haisi, Haksang Pasi, Lining Si, Haibani. Akogi lining masak khang ne hingsi haibaneba. Imung mamata leriba mapa mama masasing haiba ohum sina puksen khujen tinana etegi lining masak khangna hingagadi lebaga sida ingba tapa oigani haibagi pandamni.
Chingmai Park Laikan Lob organized a ceremony of gifts exchange between hills and valley people as a part of Mera Hauchongba at Hanjing Chingmai Community Hall at Hengang Hill today. Lok Sabha MP R.K. Ranjan, Imphal East Adakshya P. Bimola, Zilla Parisat member of Laifam Kuno, L. Olendro and people of various communities attended the event. Speaking on the occasion, MP R.K. Ranjan asserted that the BJP-led government has strengthened the ancestral ties between hills and valley inhabitants. Speaking on the occasion, advisor of Chingmai Park Laikan Lo, Budhi Kuman asserted that the event will be held every year to bring hills and valley people closer.
Mayoram Pugok Iba Puyaduda, Singmi Tamise, Amatani Habi Kudamse, a quoted labani, Aduna, I quote Singmi Tami and Isigi, Marie Tanabagdamata, I quote Nuxinana, I quote the Imam Mataki Masaniko, Ipa Mataki Masaniko, High was a counter than a Bagdamata Quina, Nasia Sunova, Singmi Tamigi, Poland, and Samin Tamina Bagi, Nungai Pontok Harau Kumagi, Numila say quite Pangtok Javani.
Chairab Loisang organized the age-old Kwak Tanba ceremony held every year on the 10th day of Mera month as per Meitei lunar calendar at Ramji School in Wangkai Ningthem Pukri Bapal, Imphal East today. Angom King Sororas Mani led the people in setting off firecrackers and in performing Kwak Tanba ritual prayer for peace and prosperity for the year ahead. Spear's performance of Laipampana, Kabampana, Ahalupana, Naharupana and Maring and cultural items mark the occasion. Now the sports news. Week-long All India Chess Federation AICF coaching camp kicked off at the swimming pool VIP launch of Kuman Lampak Sports Complex with international master Neeraj Kumar Misra as the chief coach today. Altogether, 26 boys and girls between 6 to 15 years are participating in the camp organized by Ad Hoc Committee Chess Manipur. Imphal West Students Club will organize 7 A-side men's open football tournament for Imphal West District at the club's ground from October 20. Interested clubs and organization may acquire further details from the club. Hockey Union Trust BH Bishnupur 10-6 in the 6th match of the ongoing 7th Junior Men and Women Hockey Tournament in Kuman Lampak Hockey Stadium today, while KHSC dropped Maira 10-1 in the 5th match. Subsequent matches of the tournament will be played tomorrow afternoon. Thoubal District Amateur Boxing Association in a press release has informed that Naurem Baby Roji Sana Chanu in 51 kg category and Thokchom Sana Macha Chanu in 75 kg category have been selected by the Boxing Federation of India to represent India in the Asian Youth Women Boxing Championship to be held at Mongolia from November 8 to 18. In various matches of TF Imphal Senior Grade 3 Tennis Tournament played today, S. Ranjit and KH Indrakumar defeated their opponents at Court 1, while Sunil Sood, TH Tuleshwar and Pritam Nagaraj defeated their opponents at Court 2 and Kanan Setu, Rajesh Jain defeated their rivals at Court 3 and Mohammad Zaidi, Dinku and Denkes defeated their opponents at Court 4. Altogether, 50 players are participating in the tournament held at the Officers Club Deco Turf in Lamphelpat. Before we end, a quick look at the headlines once again. NDNPS court sentences a drug dealer arrested 2 years ago to 13 years of rigorous imprisonment and a fine of 2 lakh rupees. RIMS MS assures of taking necessary legal actions against RIMS ECG room rape incident. POCSO court puts rape accused in 15 days judicial remand. Chief Minister Nongthong Bambiren envisions peaceful and developed society by uplifting destitute people on the 36th Foundation Day of YTV Children Home. Works Minister Thongam Beswajit assures to complete construction of foot-over bridges in Impal City by November. Education Minister Thokchom Radeshyam inaugurates Administrative Office of Manipur International University, MIU, at Ghari. And Agriculture Minister V. Hankailian opens 4-day State Agricultural Fair 2019 at Iboyaima Sumanglila Sangle.